Are you wondering why writing is so difficult for little ones? In this video, we're going to take a look at the simple view of writing. I'm Angela Griffiths, and I help teachers to create positive learning experiences for the students that they serve. When it comes to writing, I've discovered that it is really hard for a lot of our students. So why is this? Through research, I've learned that it's because it requires the integration of a lot of skills. So therefore, it develops later and it takes longer to develop than reading. So what is the goal of writing? The ultimate goal of writing is skilled expression. So what is skilled expression? It is about the ability to convey thoughts, ideas, and information in a way that not only communicates effectively, but also captivates and engages the reader. But how do we get there? It all begins with an equation that looks like this, and we call it the simple view of writing. Writing requires the integration of a lot of lower level and higher level skills. When I say low level, that does not mean that the skill isn't important, but it just means that it's more mechanical in nature. The goal is skilled expression, and it is made up of two domains. The first domain in the simple view of writing is foundational writing skills. From the title alone, you might have an idea of what foundational mastery skills consist of. This requires mastery of the lower level or mechanical skills. These skills include letter formation, handwriting fluency, spelling, punctuation, and word-sentence spatial organizations. Writing requires graphomotor skills. Graph means having to do with writing, and motor means having to do with the coordination of movement. So graphomotor is the skill of manually forming the letters that represent language. Don't forget to tap the like button if you're getting value. The second domain in the simple view of writing is composition. That just means putting ideas into words. These skills include topic knowledge, vocabulary word choice, sentence formulation, grammar and usage, literary forms or genres, organization of ideas, and audience awareness. It's important to remember that composition places a lot of mental demands on the youngest writers. It involves the engagement of a lot of executive functions, such as engaging working memory. This holds information in their minds while they make decisions about word choice, spelling, sentence structure, and organization of their writing. It also enables cognitive flexibility. This helps in planning and goal setting, monitoring progress towards that goal. It also activates self-regulation. It helps them to persevere when distractions come and they get frustrated. So we have to remember that this is a juggling act for young writers. There is a lot that they have to master in order to produce skilled expression. It's important to keep these things in mind while you are conducting your writing workshop. To learn more about the writing workshop, check out this video that talks all about what to do on the first day of writing workshop.